The Ministry of Defence has proposed to convert the Ordnance Factory Board into multiple companies, and this proposal will be placed before the Cabinet Committee on Security. Concerns have been raised by the armed forces over the last few decades regarding the high costs of the OFB products, inconsistent quality and huge delays in supply of products. The transformation of the Ordnance Factory Board into proposed companies would target unleashing a new chapter of growth and will increase turnover from the present 14,000 crore rupees to 30,000 crore rupees by 2025. In his first Defence Acquisition Council meeting today, the Indian Defence Minister will decide on the acquisition of defence systems worth around 12,000 crore rupees, including the procurement of 2 batteries of BrahMos supersonic system for the Indian Navy worth 1,400 crore rupees, which would be deployed close to major cities from where it can counter any incoming enemy ship. The Defence Minister is also scheduled to take a call on the acquisition of 14 medium-lift helicopters for the Indian Coast Guard worth 7,000 crore rupees, and will also take a call on the deviations in the proposal for acquisition and manufacturing of MK-2 rifles between India and Russia. Experts have said that a total of 27 Astra air-to-air systems have been tested to validate its performance, and the design of the system went through several changes for improving its control guidance and propulsion systems, and also reduction in weight. The 110 km range Astra Mk1 is already integrated on the Su-30, and the Air Force will certainly integrate this system with the upgraded Mirage 2000, the MiG-29 UPG standard, and the Tejas light combat aircraft. Officials have said that the Indian Air Force and DRDO have already started the process to develop the 150 km range improved Mk2 version, and it will feature shorter fins than the Mk1 design. The Chinese Air Force is now flying a new type of aircraft that is based on the JH-7 aircraft, which is likely to have enhanced flight performance and combat power compared to its predecessors. The aerodynamic design of the new aircraft is similar to its predecessors, but the internal systems have been upgraded. The new aircraft was seen at the opening ceremony of the International Army Games 2019 in Russia, and this shows that the new aircraft is technically mature and available for combat duty. As per latest reports, the armies of both India and Pakistan are scheduled to participate in a multilateral military exercise in Russia in September. The exercise is the initiative of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization and will see soldiers of the member countries participating in the military exercise from 10 September to the 21st of September. India is planning to send around 140 personnel to take part in the exercise, which aims towards military security in the Central Asian region. During a US delegation visit to Pakistan, the US officials have asked Pakistani officials to show some visible progress in its action that might help Pakistan to move out of the grey list of Financial Action Task Force. Meanwhile, the Financial Action Task Force has said that Pakistan has failed to complete its action plan, and it has asked to meet its commitment by October, or Pakistan could be blacklisted. The temporary breather for Pakistan was result of its diplomatic effort, and it was supported by 3 member countries including Turkey, China and Malaysia.